Day to my channel. My name is Priscilla Presley and I am back again today with another exciting video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you on how to make this healthy drink. I made this drink a couple of days ago and a lot of people on my social media are asking how I make the juice. And I said to myself, I'm going to go ahead and make a video so they can also see and make it at home if they want. So in order to make this healthy juice, I'm going to be needing some carrots. And carrots are particularly great. They contain beta-carotene, fiber, K1, potassium, and antioxidant. They can also help in weight loss. They can also glow your skin, and they can also help in brightening up your eyesight and improving your eyesight. So if you drink a lot of carrots, it's gonna be very, very beneficial for your skin. So the next ingredient I'm gonna be using is my apples. I'm gonna be using my Granny Smith apples. You guys saw me use this in my other video. You know, there's some other apples there that you could use. You could use like the honey crepes if you want. For me, I'm gonna be using the Granny Smith because it's not so sugary, and I don't like to take a lot of sweet stuff. So if you want to use any kind of apples, there's a whole ton of great apples out there. So apples also can fight wrinkles due to the fact that they are packed with antioxidant. They will help your skin elastic, improve skin texture, brighten skin, provide vitamin boost, combat acne, provide natural sun protection, and weight loss management. So this is also very, very good for the health. You know, if you want to take this, it's good. It's up to you. And the next ingredient I have is my ginger. I guess you all know what ginger is. Okay, treat many forms of nauseous and especially morning sicknesses. It may also reduce muscle pain, and soreness also, and the inflammation. It can help with that too. So if you have inflammation and you want to use ginger, it's also good. You know, it's up to like. And also the next ingredient I have here is my I have my turmeric. This is a fresh season, but I know it's very hard to get a fresh turmeric. So if you have the powder, you could use a powder, but for me, I prefer to use a fresh one. And since I can get hold of it, it's good. Okay, so turmeric can boost cognitive function. It fights body-wide inflammation, but can also interfere with some medications. I'm going to be listing those medications because I do not really know how to pronounce it. So I'm going to be listing those medications. If you're taking one of those medications, add turmeric to your drink because this is my medications. And also, if you're going through any kind of medical, before you want to go on this juice, please, you may want to consult a physician before you go on this healthy juice. Everything is clean, it's sparkling clean. My utensils are clean, my hands are clean. So cut the apples because my machine is so small, I have to cut them in pieces. So while I'm cutting them, I'll have you guys, see how I'm doing everything. So please keep watching. Thank you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead now and cut the apple. So I'm gonna start juicing. One thing I usually do, I'm gonna first of all put the ginger in to blend. I'm going to go ahead and put the turmeric in. A little turmeric. There. 3 apples already. I'm gonna do one more because I want more juice. It's like my juice. It's yummy. Yum, 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 yum. So good. So beautiful, looks good. So yes, this is my juice. You could drink this juice anytime you like. But like I said, if you have any health problem, please check with your doctor first before you go on this healthy juice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and be pouring it in my glass for a drink. Look at that. Looks good. I'm gonna drink it. It's so good. So guys, try it at home and please let me know, and thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. This is it. Thank you. Bye bye.